with the knife. Basically I've got this, which is the knife jig. So I'm going to put the knife in. That's, I'm going to level up the jig with the, pretty much with the edge of the blade. Tighten down the first one, which gives us our thickness of the blade. Just square that up. And then tighten down with that. And that really tightens it up. I think I've shown this on a previous video, but I'll do it again. And then you can see the wheel. This is still knocked down. I'm going to knock it down again because it's got rough doing that last axe. I don't need to remove loads of metal with this, so I need to put an edge on this tool. I'm not looking to remove loads of plate bevel, I've already got a bevel. So I'm just literally wanting to sharpen up what I've already got. So I want to be working with this, not taking too much metal away. There's no point in just taking metal away for the sake of taking metal away. Turn the tool off, move this over so that we are grinding away from us, not towards us, which is less aggressive. As you can see, you lay this onto the bar. You've got a fine adjustment here, which you can twist in and out. And what I want is to get to a point where I'm happy with the grind. I need to move this micro adjuster all the way in from where it was for the axe. And I'm going to put some red on the edges, but I don't think I'm going to see it too well because of the black finish on the knife. So let's see. Let's see how we get on with that. So just one line through. And one line through. Obviously there's a reasonable edge on this tool already. But okay, so I think we can come out a little bit more. Just move the wheel away and see what we get. That's nice, that's right on the edge. I could be, you can see that, I don't know if you can see that actually. But it's just on the edge, so that would create a very, very sharp edge. But I'm looking for a little bit more, so I'm going to come in, I'll put my micro adjuster tight, undo that. I'm going to come back one turn, go in, see what that gets me. I want to take just a little bit more off than that, give me a finer edge. Okay, now you can see I'm exposing a little bit more, so I'm going to come in another one. Okay, that's good enough, I'm happy with that. It's going to give me a nice edge. So I'll lock this down, make sure we have the movement, start the tool. Again, I'm going to move across this. And with experience, you learn when you're doing these bevels at the end, you have to try and lift the handle and rotate at the same time to get the correct angle. So now you can see how that's putting proper edge onto that tool. You can see the black coating is wearing away, I'm getting proper edge. I've already got a significant bevel, burr on the other side, so I'm going to do both sides at the same time. I'm going to work through both sides at the same time. I can actually see that being created, I can see the burr being created. When you get to sharp on this, you will actually start to see the water just turns around that front edge. It literally just curls around the front edge, so you know you're exactly right. So now I've got no bevel all on, burr, sorry I keep saying bevel. No burr on that side, I've got a burr here. So now I'm getting a perfect edge. So now it's just a case of how much of an edge do I want to create, how deep the bevel. Each time I go through, I'm coming back a bit more. You can see the difference between that and that. See I've got a narrower band. So I'm keeping those two exactly the same. I'm using the same pressure. Running right through to the edge. So now I've got the same depth of bevel on both sides of the tool, matching. I've got no burr on the back side, and I've got a burr all the way through on this side. So I'm going to give it one more on each side. By feeling the burr, you know the side that we last sharpened. Again, I'm not worried about my fingers going onto the wheel. You can work very, very close to your edge. I'm not worried about your fingers getting caught. It's totally controllable. So now you can see those tiny, tiny fibres coming off the edge of the blade now. So we know we're right on the edge, literally on the edge. All we need now is to polish it. So we will take it out of this jig. You can move the jig over to the other side. Polish off the jig, but I find it doesn't really make enough difference to worry, so obviously you're into the leather wheel anyway. So you're going down into the material. Now we're going to polish that edge off. Level wheel, both sides. Using the camera there.
So hair test. It's taking a fair amount of hair off my arm. I'd say that was sharp enough. Cut towards your chump, not towards your thumb. Once you've, it's always a good idea they recommend on these to get some end grain timber and just run the knife through the end grain. Just, if you have got any tiny burr or anything sitting there, it will just knock it off, just running through that end grain. I mean, that is sharp. That's the weight of the knife on my thumb now is stuck. I'm not pushing that into my thumb now at all. That is stuck. So that is sharp. It's sharp and it's an even bevel on both sides. So good. So that's ready to be used. I should be using that in the garden. I'll use that for pruning and taking off bits and pieces off the fruit trees. So that was a great gift. It's Hultafors, of course, now, who owns HB. So it's a Hultafors knife. It's like their new entry-level Bushcraft knife. They've apparently got more expensive ones. It's not a field that I'm familiar with, so I don't know about this sort of thing, but I mean, obviously it's good steel, and it's a really nice little product. Nice to have it in a sheath. You can have that on your belt. It's got a belt loop. Stick it on your belt. This can snap onto a belt at the front here. You've got your fire lighting stick at the side, which I'll never use. So yeah, nice little, well, a lovely gift. I mean, thank you very much, Hultafors HB, for giving both me and Bucking Billy one of these. Bucking Billy gave his to Mort. He thought Mort would get more use from it. I know Mort's already sharpened his up and got it ready for use. And probably now I've put this edge on it, I'll probably just diamond hone that off every now and then just to keep it all sharp. But yeah, it's a nice thing. In fact, there is still a burr on one side of that, very slight burr on this side. So with our method of engraining, yeah, let's take it out. So I mean, that is it's as sharp as sharp. So sharp you cut yourself on it, which I don't intend to do for the purposes of this demonstration. But yeah, there you go. So two axes, one knife sharpened up on the Tormek. Thanks very much for watching. Hope it was useful for you, a little bit of an idea of how that works. Obviously you're going to be seeing these axes in use in the future. My little chopper, which I'm going to use for firewood for the fires, for the wood burners, and this one which I'm going to use more like a carpentry axe, where I'm going to keep it at a more shallow bevel angle, so around about 30 degrees, and use it, choke down on it and use it as a carpentry tool. I mean, obviously I will still use it in an axe-like manner, but I'm going to use it more for carpentry. So this one's got my initials in, like BBR put his initials in his, so TS. And this one's got the maker's mark for Frederick. And this is his maker's mark here, which he puts into his axes. So yeah, obviously quite pleased to have made an axe just by its appearance. Doesn't look very royal, but good steel, handmade by my good self. Well, not very good self. And yeah, real memory of Sweden. Really nice thing to have. Both of these axes, very nice thing to have. Memory of Sweden, of the trip with Billy Ray, and something that will always remind me of that experience. So very, very nice. And this lovely knife from Hultafors HB, nice gift, and I'll be using that as well around the farm. So nice things to have. Okay guys, I'm gonna pack up, and thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. It's Sunday afternoon here. I'm not sure what time it is, but it's probably about 6 o'clock, maybe later. Lovely evening, really sunny. Cooled down now. This week's gradually cooling down. Temperatures are in the 20s now during the day, and then cooling down to like mid to low teens in the evenings. So feels a lot more pleasant than 30 to 40 degrees all the time, and 40 degree plus in the summer. Gets a bit wearing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Guys, I just wanted to show you the fines that are in here from the axes and from that knife. There's a magnet built into the plastic, and so this is all metal that I'm moving away from the... Sorry, I've got this camera in my pocket so I can show you. All of this is metal that has come off the axes, so you literally can see it coming off the magnet there. All gets collected on the magnet so that it doesn't sit in the water and get pulled around on the oxide wheel, aluminium oxide wheel, keeping the water clean. I'll just wash this out now, but you know, there's quite a considerable paste there of metal, so just shows you how much metal has been taken off. Okay guys, speak to you soon.